Introducing the Foredom Hang-Up SR Flex Shaft Motors Rotary Toolkit, your ultimate solution for high-speed precision and versatile finishing work. Powered by a 230W pure copper motor, the Foredom SR delivers an impressive 18,000 RPM. Its stable performance and low noise allow for elaborate, precise work. With an integrated heat vent, the motor stays cool, prolonging its service life, and offers both forward and reverse grinding capabilities. The SR kit features a high-precision 3-jaw chuck that securely clamps tools for maximum compatibility. Its 100 cm rubber flexible shaft offers exceptional extensibility, ensuring precise connections even in tight spaces. The ABS foot pedal provides stepless speed control with its adjustable screw feature, ensuring you achieve the perfect constant speed, even under prolonged use. This robust design helps minimize rapid heat buildup during operation. Whether you're finishing, polishing, adding textures, or tackling intricate work on metal, wood, stone, or jewelry, the Foredom SR Flex Shaft tool is engineered to deliver professional, high-quality results on a variety of materials. Your kit includes everything you need to get started: the Foredom SR motor unit, chuck key, handpiece, flexible shaft, foot pedal, and an easy-to-follow instruction manual. Operation steps. 1. Connect the foot controller and motor. 2. Connect the power cord. 3. Connect the flexible shaft to the handle. 4. With the chuck key to adjust the handle clamping size and install the polishing wheel. 5. Turn on the switch and select forward/reverse rotation. 6. Press the foot pedal. Start jewelry making work. Experience the unmatched versatility and precision of the Foredom Hang-Up SR Flex Shaft Motors Rotary Toolkit. Visit our website to order yours today and elevate your craftsmanship to new heights.